from Falcon's View Photography, and I'm here in historical Oldtown, Maryland, where we'll be looking at and participating in the Oldtown Festival, where we celebrate the history and community of Oldtown. We'll be looking and watching the parade, talking to vendors and organizers, and just getting to know the community and eat the good food. I hope you'll join me on this journey. Let's go. We're about to do one of my favorite things, check out the vendors, see some cool crafts. Of course, the reason why I love it so much, eat some food. Let's go. I'm here with one of the vendors.
Judy Kurtz.
Okay, yeah. Judy, what exactly do you do here?
I make plant-based soap. It's a moisturizing soap. It's made with coconut butter, coconut oils, shea butter. I also have your body scrubs. It's all natural. We have shower melts. I also have chapstick. We sell dog products, so we have homemade dog biscuits, and they're all natural additives.
Yeah, how do you do that pattern? That's like really cool.
I use a special mold for them.
So I'm here with one of the vendors.
Brook Street Farm.
Okay, how long have you been coming to Oldtown Summerfest?
This is our second year at Oldtown Summerfest.
Okay. What exactly do you have here?
Well, today I have fresh cut flower bouquets for a farm that's located right here in Oldtown. I have handmade sugar scrubs. We try to use organic oils in there and essential oils. I also have some elephant garlic, a variety of herbal skincare products, and tomato plants back here and a couple potted up herbs.
Yeah, tomato plants is about all my expertise in this kind of thing. So I'm here with another local vendor. What's your name, sir?
Kevin Moss.
Okay, where are you guys based at exactly?
I live just 2 miles up the road here along 51.
So you're local. How many times have you been to Oldtown Festival?
This is my second time at the event. I've been here before.
Yeah. I assume you enjoy it then,
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I enjoy bees, and it's a great way to get out and meet some of the local people and sell some of my honey and things I have here.
So, can you tell me about some of your honey exactly in the process?
Well, I have a hive. This is an observation hive here. So I have some of my bees. This is probably about a quarter of one colony.
Okay.
The queen's in there somewhere, but she's probably hiding. So I have about 30 beehives, and they make the honey. And once they have, usually about June or July, I take it off the hives, run it through an extractor, and then I just filter it through a not a very fine screen, but get most of the big particles out of it.
Yeah.
So it's raw honey, not a whole lot of
Process.
Yeah, it's not processed really, so it's your local raw honey. So. And it's I call it wildflower. There's all different kinds of flavors of honey, but I put it all together. I don't separate it into different nectar sources. So it's all wildflower. This was taken off the hive about a week ago, so it's from all the spring flowers.
It's interesting. Is this like just try it?
Yeah. You can try a sample there. Squirt some on a cracker.
Take this one. What? Let's try this here.
My only requirement after you taste it is to buy some. And then some of the beeswax I've done some candles.
That's really good.
Lip balm and different things like that with it too. But honey's the main thing that I try to sell.
Sandgar. I love this as a kid. Mine always turned out brown though. That's what happens when you mix them all together.
I'm the Sandman around. The kids, all kids call me the Sandman. What I do is I let the kids fill the bottle up so far they can put the rocks and marbles. Then what I do, add distilled water, and after several hours, the sand won't move.
This man is genius at sand art.
Thank you very much for coming today. I am the festival coordinator, but it does take an army of volunteers, community members, as well as, oh, this is great. Camera and mics are not my thing, but it takes not only members of the community, but local businesses. We have a slew of sponsors, and just people that give time and donations, and I just thank everybody for that. And if anybody is interested in becoming a part of our committee, they can reach out to me on Facebook or email. We're always looking for new ideas, new members, and again, thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Give it up for that.
I'm here with festival coordinator Lindsay, and what I was wondering was how long has this festival been going on for in Old Town?
It's been going on since 2000. Shortly after the school closed, the committee came together and decided to celebrate the history of Old Town, so this is our 23rd year.
So, what is so special about Old Town itself, do you feel?
Well, first off, it is the oldest settlement, the first community founded in Allegany County. So it's got a lot of history. Just like today, we have our Civil War reenactors kind of sharing that history of Old Town during that time period. And in general, Old Town's just a pretty cool community. It's small, we get together, we band together, and it's a lot of fun activities that we offer for people.
So, about how far out do you start planning for this festival anyway?
Next month. So when the festival ends at the last Saturday of June, we get together in July and we start throwing ideas. The hardcore planning starts in January. So if anybody's interested in being a part of our committee, January is the time to join.
Sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but it's worth it.
It's fun, yeah. I mean, it's probably worth it. I mean, look how much fun everybody's having. It's a great thing. And we thank you for allowing us to be here for the time. We really appreciate it.
Yes.
And I hope you have a great day too.
Oh, it's been great. Thank you guys.
Thank you. It's nice here in colonial Old Town, you know, by the nice fire with the kettle over it.
You want some coffee? You like coffee?
Yeah.
You want some?
Offered coffee by a soldier here. There we go. I can feel it through 2 cups.
It takes a little bit.
You might want to let me. You might want to wait this off. Very hot, but I taste it. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, coffee over an open fire is the best.
It might. Yeah, I might have to agree.
They had bags that were given to them like this size, and they were issued green beans, which was coffee beans, but they were green. So what they had to do is they would issue a bag of them, and they'd take a couple out what they were going to drink themselves. You know, if the wagon train and the big army wasn't coming behind them to cook it for them, they had to do whatever they had to do, and they just pitched a tent out at camp. So what they did was they put their little pot out there. They had their paint. Put the green beans on, their beans, coffee beans in, they put it in there, fry them, get them brown. Then they take them out, they smash them on the rock, brown them up, put it in one of these bags, tie it. Take a couple like this, pour that one right there. Drop it in there, put water, and put it right on the fire and boil it. And have coffee.
Shoulder arms. You were supposed to be able to fire 3 of those in 1 minute. About face. When you're in your name, you're at half cock now. That's what they mean by don't go off half cock. Fire.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we're from like Frankfurt, Shorthand area.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Know she got the coffee too. How was it?
Very good.
I know, right? Could you tell us a little bit about maybe your writing?
Okay, I used to write I taught school for many years. I used to history. I I used to do a lot of features for the Washington Times when it was a print paper, and now it's mostly electronic.
So where did you teach by any chance?
South Middle School, Martinsburg.
Oh, okay, Martin.
West Virginia history.
That's cool. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And about the books, I got into really, while I was writing for the Times, we did a lot of history features for the Times from West Virginia. This book, In Bowdoin's Brigade in the Gettysburg Campaign, 14 years of research on that and writing, and it tells the story, of course, of In Bowdoin's Northwest Virginia Brigade during Gettysburg. It won 3 awards as the best Gettysburg book of 2008 and 9. Rebel Chronicles is mostly about rebel guerrilla activity around the eastern panhandle, West Virginia, train robberies, scouting, and things like that. Most of my books are not about the big battles. They're about small groups of men, sort of like cowboy and Indians, whether the Federals are chasing them or they're chasing and trying to ambush the Federals. This last book, Phantoms of the South Fork, Captain McNeil and his Rangers, tells the story of Allegany County's most famous group of the Civil War, group of partisan rangers who operated against the B&O Railroad, against Union supply trains, where the Rangers were different than other soldiers. They could keep and sell anything they captured. Which a regular soldier had to turn it over to the quartermaster. These soldiers could sell if they captured horses, guns, whatever, they could sell them to the quartermasters. They could sell them at auction. Sometimes these guys made 30, 40, 50 guys at auction get $40,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, it looks like these guys are doing some fishing demos. Let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Dan Newland. I'm here to teach a little bit about fly fishing. We set up a booth with fly tying, and we got some rods for some kids to actually do some casting, or adults, and teach them about fly tying.
What's your name, sir?
Eric Kleitz.
Eric Kleitz. And he's with the
Frankfurt District Historical.
Oh, Frankfurt District. That sounds awesome.
It is awesome.
What exactly do you guys do?
Actually, it started, I don't know, see, you guys are from out there, but do you know where the log house is out there?
Faintly, I think, yeah.
That's terrible. That's our problem. We're like, nobody knows where we are. And you know where the new light is in Short Gap?
Yeah, I thought it was around there, right?
Okay, if you stop there and look 100 yards over, it's over there.
Yeah.
It's sort of been lost. Now they put that light in there, that kind of opens up. But anyhow, there was a log house there, and it was considered historical by the locals. But the owner had sold it to somebody in Virginia, which they give us all those log houses.
I see.
And it was on its way. A few of the historically minded people, most of whom are not around now, you know.
Yeah.
They got together and they said to the guy who was selling to us, and they said, the fellow had bought it for new, he sold it, and then the Frankfurt District Historical Society was formed to do that. And that tavern building itself goes back to about 1790.
How many times has Frankfurt?
This is our first time.
First time. Okay, that's awesome. Glad to have you there. You go to other festivals in the area?
We're starting.
Starting?
Because what happened is we found we got some serious issues in the tavern that need repaired. So we're trying to put some extra money. Right now we've got a corner of the building that's going bad.
Oh, I see.
And it's going to cost $6,000 just to fix it. So we got some serious issues over there.
I was just going to say it's awesome. There's a lot of great history in our area, and I'm glad you guys are doing your part to do it. And to help you out, I'm going to go buy a hot dog.
There you go.
Hey, have a great day.
Nice to talk to you guys.
Hot dog made by a historical society. See how it tastes. Doesn't get more American than that.
There are just so many things that make me proud of the place I grew up in, and it's something I can't wait to show my children someday in the future.
I have lived in Oldtown, Maryland for my whole life, and I think it has shaped my personality and how I value my community. That Oldtown is not just some tiny town, we are a beautiful community that comes together for fishing rodeos, Old Town days, and Christmas tree lightings. We are bigger than Baltimore and Washington, D.C. because we have huge hearts in our own tiny town.